Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to copy and paste in Photoshop. So let's start the video. First, open your Photoshop project and select the image or object you want to copy paste. Now press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. And then to paste, just hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Photoshop will automatically create a new layer for the pasted object, which makes editing easier. You can also go to Edit and then click on Copy to copy the image. And then again go to Edit, click on Paste. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop basics. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.